What's good, everyone? Do you know that Orapi is here in the Maldives? Right here, we are in front of Pestex building, our distributor partner. And come, let me show you the showroom of Orapi and also introduce you to our sales manager, Mr. Abbas. Come on. Alright, Mr. Abbas, nice to see you.
Nice to see you, Shah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Abbas, the sales manager for ORAPI Hygiene Chemicals.
Hello, everyone.
Why don't you show me what we have?
Come
Right.
have a look. Here we have everything Orapi that provides.
Wow, what are the ranges?
We have from kitchen stewarding, housekeeping, and professional laundry products.
So it's right here in the big office, yeah? So it's a showroom nonetheless. I bet anyone who's in the area in Mali can just walk in here if they want to learn more about Orapi products and what we have to offer, or they can just simply buy anything off the shelf. Is that correct?
Everything off the shelf.
Where are we located?
We are right in front of Habitat Shop, Karankaa, Magu.
Nice. Alright, so if you're in Mali and you want to find out more, just come on over to our showroom and Mr. Abbas here will be best to be of service to you.
Yeah.
See
Come
you.
visit us.
Come visit us. Orapi, the French leader in professional hygiene and industrial maintenance specialty chemicals, your trusted partner right here in the Maldives.